What's up, my peep? What's up? What's up? What's up? Wagwan? Yeah, man. In the morning, yeah, me busy like a bees in the morning. Yeah. I do some breakfast, quick breakfast, but you don't know Jamaican man, them love them cook food. Yeah, them eat cook food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Who can attest to that? Anyways, let's move on. I have cassava. I have a cassava over here, and I have sweet potato. Yeah, and you know, flour dumpling, I forgot going at that. Yeah, me I forgot chewing some dumpling. So that me I box up in the morning, a quick time. And I have some season over here. Chocho, tomato, carrots, scotch bonnet pepper, onion. Yeah man, and these are the fish. So we're gonna just brown stew up them fish here. And at that we're gonna eat up for breakfast. So hand busy and I work really fast. So stay with me. Alright. Pot a bubble. Alright, so my fish was scaled, gut and everything, so you don't know, say, I always have to put a little slice in it and things, so basically, and that me do right about now, I'm going to dash some season upon them. You know, I can't do if I'm, but you know, I have to move my hand fast, people want to get out of here, but yet still they want food for breakfast, people, something can go some of peeps. Viewers and subscribers, the man here don't want no egg sandwich, you know. The man here want cook food, because the man here tell you every day how they work hard and blah and all sort of something. But anyway, me, myself and I love a good breakfast, yeah? That Jamaican thing still, guys, trust me. You have to go get it and understand it. So you don't know, the next step is to pot dry these really good. And I have a mixture of fish here. Alright guys, so after pot drying our fish, you know, I'm going to go ahead and dash on a little season upon them. And just go and leave them for, you know. Go and get a little marinate and thing. Till I put them food in the pot. So don't matter how you hurry to do your breakfast, guys. Remember to season your fish really good. Always dash little season in the fish gut. Yeah, and the head. We can't leave out that. Yeah man. So I eat that, you know. We're going to leave them here for go and marinate, you know, and peel up some food and put in the pot. Yeah man, so come along. Alright now guys, so I'm in the process of peeling my cassava, and yeah, we have two type of cassava doing now guys. Two type of cassava, I'm gonna explain it to you. You have the sweet one and you have the bitter one. The bitter one is what they use to make bami, and the sweet one is what we eat. So this is the sweet one and this is how it is peeled. Alrighty, and you may ask how you know them different, but how do you know them different, babes?
Without pulling up the tree, the fruit, you know, you can know them from the tree. The sweet one have a red flowers, while the bitter one that used to make the bami, it have a green skin. That's basically it.
Alright, you hear that guys? Coming straight from the kissing town man, the country man who know about his Jamaican food. Alrighty, so yeah man, we're going to peel the cassava and dash him in the pot. Alright guys, so now that my pot is fiery hot, I just drop in a pepper. Alright guys, so now the cassava to be peeled, so I'm dropping in our pot. Yeah man. So guys, you know this morning is a multi-task morning, so yeah man, while our fish is frying, food is boiling, I'm just cutting up my season, so that as soon as the fish finish, I just dash them out. No long thing, you know. these guys can get out of here and go about their daily business. I'm gonna pick that to season. So guys, they're helping with the peeling of the food. I don't know what got into him this morning, but he's given a helping hand this morning, which I'm grateful for. Can I peel that too deep?
Sometimes I know I get to it, but I don't know.
Nice to get to. Are you not to make it get to it?
Let us kill as when I do. Don't get us in my time, so. What do you say? Potato and peas are going up. Body are cold like that.
And now guys, we're dropping in like sweet potato in the pot. We're covering back. And we have to check in with the fish then said seed. Alright, you know, so I'm just going to drop some flour in my pot. Because you know, as a true Jamaican, you can't leave out the flour dumpling, yeah? Right in there. Alright, so we're just going to peel up our chocho. That's how you peel chocho?
Yes, baby.
Cut it in two.
Cut it in four.
That's not how I peel it though. I just peel it whole and then cut it up.
We did have so much corners and edges. You get them into all those edges.
Yes, you never see I peel it before.
You never watch it, baby.
That's how I peel it.
Voila. You know, man, peel the fruits different from females still.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Well, it's the first I'm knowing that is good. That's why I must help in the kitchen so I can know these stuff.
They might help in the kitchen. You cook and me eat.
Oh, that's the help. Me cook, you eat.
You know why am I out there? If you know, if somebody not eat the food and see them spoil.
It's okay.
You don't think so?
It's alright, man. I'm glad you tell the whole social media that me cook, you eat.
Alright. You know,
so you basically, him no help me, guys. Don't make him tell you nothing and make other things say.
Are you going to give the people a chance to comment? Comments, guys. If that's not a great help. Can you imagine if she cook and me cook, who eat? They both going to turn over. You have to balance the thing.
No, you can help just like what you're doing now.
I'm out of my league.
You're lucky. You love eat, not you. You love eat when we cook, so you must help me to cook.
If you find my man who no love eat, tell me.
Help me to prepare the food. Alright guys, so I finished frying my fish. So I'm going to just cook up my season now and dash my fish then in the pot. Yeah man, quick and easy brown stew breakfast. And that I go under the morning. So I'm going to dash some garlic in the pot. And as soon as that release, go ahead and dash in my onion and tomato, carrot, bell pepper, all of the seasoning there. Alright, so I'm going to dash in chocho and the pot as well. Give that a good mix. I'm just going to add a little water to my pot. Give that a good mix as well. I'm going to go ahead and just stick a little bit of browning just to get a little color. We're going to give that a good mix. Alright, so I'm adding in a few pimentos berries. And I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to add my fish. I know I didn't show you everything, guys. Time is against me. But you can go on my channel and type in how to cook brown stew fish. And you will see how to prepare your brown stew fish. I already have brown stew fish dishes on my channel. Alrighty. So just dash it with pepper and over time. So I'm just gonna cover and allow this to finish simmer, guys. So this is it for our brown stew fish for breakfast. Yeah, man, just gonna plate everything now, guys, and I'll let you guys see it. Dumpling them. What dumpling you want?
3.
3? You sure? You eat 3 dumpling? Talk what dumpling you want, yeah?
Put one more dumpling in the plate, please.
Exactly.
But you know the answer to your question.
So this young man don't want any cassava or sweet potato. So I'm just wanting dumpling and in fish.
Are you surprised? The younger generation just believe in the dumpling.
Oh God, man, remember say. Alright, so I eat that. So people from no see this plate, you guys don't know whose plate it is. Right, and I love to clean off my plate when I share out and any little thing is around it. Any little gravy. Yeah, I love to remove. Alright now guys, so this is it for our breakfast. So this is my own. So I'm going to just dive into it right about now and give you guys a 411 as usual. So this is Jamaican breakfast. Yeah, Jamaican man love cook food in the morning. Love cook food in the morning for breakfast, and as I mentioned, them would eat cook food for breakfast, lunch and dinner. Anyway, let's dive into this cassava here. Gummy and dry. Open it. As for our fish, this is so delicious.